Brighton House's beginnings were as a research firm. We were discovering what institutional investors were interested in and documenting all of that interest in the form of mandates, whether they're interested in emerging managers or established, whether they're interested in international, global, or just domestic. We recorded all of that interest, and from that we packaged research reports so that the institutional investors could benchmark themselves, know what else was out there. What Brighton House is doing for investors is bringing them the most compelling opportunities in the space so that they don't have to source different opportunities on their own. Doing it on their own is a full-time job, and they can really never get the reach that we have currently. So our ability to reach across the globe and find the most compelling opportunities with whatever mandate they're trying to match it to is a big value that we have. We're also able to facilitate not only introductions, but due diligence to make sure that the investor is really focusing on the quality of the opportunity and doesn't have to be bogged down with a lot of the busy work or other pieces of the discovery that aren't essential to them making a good decision. So the challenges here for the investors are many. The challenges currently are that there are so many different products in the market space, so many new funds coming into the space on a monthly basis. In addition, the advice that they're currently getting from consultants or third-party marketers or placement agents, that tends to be really conservative, and it's not showing them the whole universe of investment opportunities out there. So what Brighton House is doing is helping these investors understand what is out there, what are the most compelling opportunities, whether they're established, emerging, or niche, and we're able to bring them to them, help them really separate the wheat from the chaff in terms of the opportunities for investment so that they can cut down on their time it takes to evaluate and really whittle it down to those 3 or 4 funds they want to make a decision between. Going forward to today, now Brighton House is able to help institutional investors understand what the different opportunities are out there in terms of alternative investments, whether that's private equity, hedge fund, or venture capital. Brighton House's value is to the investor. We help the investor understand what fund managers they should be looking at, what opportunities that they might find compelling, so that they do not have to scour the globe trying to find the different managers that would be a fit. That's our core competency, is finding and helping them to understand what managers are out there and then bringing them to the table so that they're only speaking with fund managers that make sense for their business and their mandates.